The first is a calming cucumber face mask. Now, I love this idea. Please, if you don't mind, it'll keep you cool with the cucumber, you say.
Okay, so
teach it to us.
Okay, so I take some cucumbers and I chop it up, and I take a handful of ice. Best to do it in like a blender, and I take my peppermint. It smells so nice and so refreshing. And what I also have here is these cotton, these little pads here. So what I do is I'll lay on my couch. I'll place it all around my face. I'll take these cotton pads and put it here just so that it doesn't get in your hair or anything. Or if you want, you can just dip the cotton pads in here and then place this over your eyes.
I'm gonna try it. You're tempting me now.
Oh my God, are you sure?
The rule of thumb is I gotta test it first to make sure I can. Is that too much? Or
No, that's perfect. And then you could just place it over your eyes. And now imagine you're on a beautiful vacation and everything.
Am I good?
That is great. Yes.
And just massage it in.
And just breathe in. Well, you're standing up, so it's stripped. But imagine you're reclined and you're listening to relaxing music. And then you take it off and you look 10 years younger.
I look 10 years younger? Yeah, I'll tell you. The cucumber itself is wonderfully effective.
How nice is the peppermint?
The peppermint's the key ingredient.
Peppermint is the key.
Doctors have actually studied peppermint on skin, and it helps the natural oils of the skin come out in the right way. When it gets in your eye, like right now, it makes you want to cry. There's tears of joy. Oh, God.
But for me, the peppermint, it's just so good for your skin because it literally just will wipe away all of the impurities and make you feel super fresh.
Now that I'm super fresh, you're gonna feed me a little bit. This is Lea's, listen carefully, de-bloating juice. The dreaded bloating. Do you get bloating?
You're embarrassing me.
Well, it's called the de-bloating juice, I'm assuming.
Of course, everybody gets, a little bloated. For me, it's often because if I'm traveling a lot, I don't really get to eat the things that, I do my best to pack food when I'm flying and stuff, but planes are just the worst for your body. So for me, when I land, or this is also really great for, in the mornings, any time of day, this is the best. Easy juice. I just take a glass of water. We have lemon juice in here. We have half of a cucumber chopped.
Let me add these real quickly. So water,
yes,
lemon juice, cucumber.
So that's just simple, basic, good cleansing for your system. And then watermelon is really tasty. And then we blend this all up.
And it looks like this.
So it looks a little brown right now. When we make it, it actually doesn't look this brown.
Well,
But it's really refreshing. And for me, lemon water is my favorite thing. I challenge myself every day. I fill 4 bottles up with water, and then I force myself at the end. They have to be finished by the end of the workday or whatever. And I always try to every day put something different in the water to make it exciting for me. And lemon water is the absolute best. And so this is just a little up,
I love this so much.
Oh, good. I'm so glad. Cheers.
It tastes like light, but let's toast the audience.
Okay.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.